Once I sabi this makeup thing, is all over for you people. It's all over. Process, I eventually got myself my makeup kit. Yay!
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said. I love you. Deep in my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss AKF. Yeah, thank you for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always. And if you're a new subscriber, maybe not new, maybe you just tuned into this channel for the first time. Wait. My name is Kende Jodwanchukwu, and I film about lifestyle, motherhood, faith, and every of my experience living in Nigeria. You know, today I have I want to talk about unveiling myself, or maybe probably doing something that I've not done in the longest time, and that is making up. Honestly, I think I posted this on my status. Once I sabi this makeup thing, is all over for you people. It's all over. Once I'm good. Anyways, I just want to take you through the process. I eventually got myself my makeup kit. Yay!
Wow!
Guys, for the longest time I've thought about actually doing my own makeup myself. I think I reached out to my makeup artist at one point, and the guy was like, I'm like, makeup that I can actually go and buy and source for products myself. Maybe I'm just going to show you the affordable makeup product I got for myself. I'm not done buying, that's the honest truth. I still have a lot of things to get, but then I have started, and it's a good starting point for me, you know. So let's start with I'm just going to do this makeup on this video, and then we are going to see the before and after. You tell me while I show you some of the products I got, you know, and then we can now talk about how badly or good I did. As I evolve in this process, I'm sure that I'm going to get better. But for starters, you all are going to tell me how I did. Okay? All right. So let's jump right into today's video. First, I need to give a big shout out to my paddy for life. This my paddy, my jolly partner. So actually, I did not go alone to select this product because number one, waiting I sabi. Anyways, I went with my jolly partner, and then we selected some makeup products, you know, and then she just guided me on some of the thank you, Kamsi. She just guided me on some of the things I really need, you know, to do this makeup, so that I'm not just buying and buying. Yeah, Kamsi. Yes, I want to do my makeup, okay? Go and me, Dada. Allow me. Anyways, I just hope Kamsi's voice is not overshadowing mine. So it's going to be here all through. So just focus on this girl. I know you people will say focus on Captain, focus on me, please. Most of my brushes are from Beyond Beauty, and I can tell you they are really good. So I couldn't go for a set. I just went for the brushes I need. As a beginner, you don't want to buy too many things that you don't know how to use, so that you are not confused. Sorry, I got this Flawless Ivy micellar water, cleaning water for myself, because I sweat a lot, and then just to prepare my face and remove dirt, you know, from my face. I use it before and after my makeup. In fact, the first time I got the set, I had not gotten this water, this cleanser. I had to, you know, hold on a bit so that I don't just start bombarding my face with a lot, and then my skin will start getting clogged. You'll need your primer to set your makeup to begin. So once you are done with your whole skincare, whatever, you can then start. All this is that time of the month. I hope you understand. Right. I forgot to buy there's one other thing. I forgot to buy my gel. So I use this pencil three because I like my eyebrow to pop. So this is dark, but I like it.
Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ako macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro.
What? Math. You are surprised that he knows this as math. He say na for that I will give it to you. You shock am say him pikin talk math. Things you see with toddlers every day. They will just wake up today, they can do this. Tomorrow,
Make him
and
linger
so
in like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out us. No go fumble. As that day comes, as that
that that has this small small pulse inside of it. Can you see? Hey, Kenny don't spoil beauty blender. Anyways, this is what how it came with this, and then three of this in it. I just took one out so that I just took out two of it out so that I don't mix it up. Anyways, so this is it. I'm just going to fix in my beginner style. Don't rush it. Enjoy the process. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Nancy just here doing the most, but I have to keep him entertained so that it doesn't come this way, you know. So there are two sides. I'm just going to focus on using this one side to for this foundation because I'm
so many reasons why I want you for you, my love. Now you don't want to return, it's mine now. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. I want to make with it.
one thing is if you feel like the foundation is higher is a lot is a bit lighter than your shade, you can actually keep blending till you get your desired result. That's it. I think this is better. If you watch YouTube videos or tutorials, makeup tutorials, you'll be confused because there are so many ways to achieve your result, but you just have to pick the one that works for you. I think I've tried to check out the one that works for now, and then with time I'll change it. Anyways, I believe that I've been able to blend this very well into my skin. and then I'm just going to set aside. The next thing I want to do is highlight. So I'm just going to use this concealer that is a shade higher than mine. So the one for my eyebrow to highlight my brow was two shade higher. This is one shade higher.
Let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see.
What I want to do now is to contour, and I'm going to use this concealer that is a shade less a shade sorry I'm going to use this concealer that is a shade darker than my skin tone. Let's just say there are days like this when it's totally messed up, but I'll keep going. So now I'm ready to do my foundation.
I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I say.
That is out. I'm now going to line with this. See how spicy and the shake. And then hmm, hmm. Like see now this camera make me get this thing today. Mm-hmm. Disaster makeup. For some reason, some of my recording went off, but yes, this is what we've got. Let me quickly unbox this hair. I got this hair from Hair by DVY. You can check them out on Instagram. What I have is the coily hair, human hair actually, and it's nice. I decided to, add it as a touch up. I'm not planning to fix or do anything with this hair in this video because I'm going to use it later. So there's no styling happening at this point. I just want to, use it to pop up this makeup that I've done so that you can, feel it. So I'm just going to wear this now, and then would you'll see. But the hair is beautiful. The texture is as expected, you know. I'm just going to use it to carry this makeup. You know what I mean now, just to brighten it up the more. Okay, this is what I have. What do you think about this girl? This is after. What do you think? I apologize, my mic went off, so I'm speaking what is on my mind right now. I can't remember what I was saying in the video, but I can tell that I was talking about how good the makeup turned out despite the chaos. You can you need to look at how the table is looking all messy, but then the face, everything came out nice. Ignore my body that is messy because already I ought to be wearing something, if I was properly planning to, if I was dressing up to go out, but because I'm just doing it for the gram. All right, if you're here to like this video, please like it, share with people. Imagine a beginner, guess who forgot to use the spray? I did. Anyway, here goes my spray, setting spray that I use. So let's see before and after. Again, omotan, omotan. Have you seen that video? Abeke pawon. Yes, so omotan, Kendi omotan, tan 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 tan. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.